are the simplest Igbo phrases you can start with as a beginner. You can start by saying kuroto, 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 stand up, stand up, kuroto, nodala, nodala, sit down. Some say noro ala, mob noro odo, anyone. Ko aka, clap, ko aka. Wule elu, jump, jump, or you can say jump up. Wule elu. Rito, get down. Rito, get down. Ba oso is just run. Ba oso. Ba egwu, dance. Ba egwu, dance. Now, what is the difference between kwuru ọtọ and bile ọtọ? Is there any difference? Bile ọtọ and kwuru ọtọ. I want to see it in the comment.